If you are in IT industry, you need to know these 8 specific jobs will going to replaced by AI by 2030. And there is a high chance one of them is yours. From the entry-level role to one senior position you have never expected, the tech landscape is shifting. But here is the real list. Number 8, the junior web developer. This is the most obvious one, but for a reason you might not expect. We have moved past simple code completion with the tools like bolt.new or v0.dev. The job of manual slicing a Figma file into HTML or CSS is officially solved problem. If your daily value is just writing the boilerplate, the role is already being phased out. But it's not just about building the front end. Once the site is built, it has to be tested, and that's where human element is disappearing even faster. Let's move to the number 7 job, manual QA tester. Every dev team used to need a human to click through every button to find bugs. But with the AI agents and tools like Playwright MCP, you can give an agent the intent of the feature, and it will write, execute, and fix its own tests. By 2030, manual testing won't be a career, it will be a legacy process. As the code becomes self-testing and the way we support the people using that code is also changing, let's move to the number 6 job, technical support tier 1. This role handles how to and password reset tickets. Companies are already moving these into RAG-based AI system. If the answer exists in the documentation, an AI agent solve it in seconds. The help desk is becoming a purely automated interface. But the shift is moving even deeper into how we actually handle and interpret the data we collect. Moving to the job number 5, junior data analysis. This role used to spend 80% of its time cleaning messing CSV files and writing SQL. But LLM are now natural data wranglers. You can drop a massive data set into an AI agent and it will find trends and create charts for you in seconds. The entry-level analyst is being replaced by just a simple prompt. Now, once the data is analyzed, obviously by AI, the code is written, obviously by AI, someone usually has to explain it. But in the world of vibe coding, the explanation is built into the creation. Moving to job number 4, the technical documentation writer. If you have seen my older videos on Cursor and other IDE, you know that these generate perfect README files instantly. We no longer need a human middleman between developer and the code and the docs. If the AI write the code, then AI write the manual also. So AI is writing the code and the docs, but what about the system that connect everything together? Moving to the job number 3, the API integration engineer. This role is dedicated to gluing software services together. But with the model context protocol, the MCP thing, AI can now automatically discover and connect to new APIs. The middleware human is being coded out of the loop. If the technical work is being handled by agent, surely we still need someone to manage these people. Well, that's where the most surprising shift is happening. Moving to the job number 2. Technical project coordinator. Tracking Jira tickets, pinging devs is a middleman role. But AI-driven tools now sync with GitHub and generate status reports without a human attending a meeting. If your job is just moving the information between people, the AI are coming for your seat next. We have seen AI taking over coding, testing, and management, but there is one role left. A role most of you believe is the ultimate safety net. But remember this, but by 2030, even this pinnacle will be automated. Moving to the number 1, the unexpected Cloud Support Associate. Yeah, most people think someone has to manage the servers, but we are entering the era of autonomous infrastructure. With the infrastructure as a code and LLM writing perfect Terraform script, the cloud admin is being phased out. The SRE agent can now monitor logs and fix configuration faster than you even open the console. If your job was on this list, don't panic, just pivot. The industry is not shrinking, it's evolving. We are moving from task doers to AI orchestrators. Focus on system design, agentic workflow, and mastering MCP. The people who thrive in 2030 are the ones who build the agents. To see which tools we need to master right now, check out my deep dive into MCP right here.